Wamucii wa Kenyari nĩarĩkĩtie kũrekereria na kwandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri nditũ kũrĩ Ngaruiya Jr. Following what happened yesterday, kũrĩa Kĩnyanya arakorirwo akĩyumĩria na gũkorwo akiumbũra atĩ he mũini ũrakorirwo akĩmwĩka matharaũ kũrĩa event-inĩ ya Muigai wa Njoroge, na mũini ũcio ti ũngĩ nĩ Ngaruiya Jr. Na thutha ũcio rĩu ĩragĩkorwo ĩ ndereti nene mũno mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, thutha wa ndeto ĩno gũkorwo ĩgĩtrend mũno nenda-inĩ. Na rĩu Wamucii wa Kenyari nĩ ũmwe wa arĩa meyumĩrĩtie, no Wamucii wa Kenyari nĩateteire Ngaruiya Jr. na njĩra nene mũno, na nginya gũkorwo agĩtarĩria gĩtũmi kana the possibility of why Ngaruiya Jr. acted the way he did. Wamucii wa Kenyari akiuga atĩ Ngaruiya is no longer just an artist, he's an employee of the government. Na no nginya he had to act accordingly, he had to abide by the rules and the regulations. More so seeing that the deputy president was around, Ngaruiya Jr. now was an employee here. Ndararĩ mũini haha, aca, he was acting as an employee and the rules and regulations must apply. Na koguo ndangĩrahotire gũkorwo agĩkenia andũ othe, aca, wĩra wake no nginya angĩrakorirwo akĩruta ũrĩa gũbatiĩ. Arĩguo Wamucii wa Kenyari agĩtarĩirie. Now she shared this akiuga, not good to condemn Ngaruiya. I think before condemning him, we all need to appreciate it as a tough role because everybody would love to sing before the leaders. However, is it possible? Absolutely no, because of the time factor. There is nothing that should be so good like when an artist goes for the event of a fellow artist with a prepared mind to support and also prepare his or her mind to be contented with the outcome of whether you sing or not. I will not condemn Ngaruiya because one, musicians and fans will only see him with an eye of musician and forget he is an employee of the government. And when you're an employee, you play according to rules and regulations, which might not go very well with everyone else. Another reality that people have also not absorbed is how Ngaruiya rose to the said position, which he has worked to earn, because according to so many, he doesn't deserve. But who is God? He does what he wants and at the right time. I read jealousy and malice at the same time in some of these posts. I will tell Ngaruiya to brace himself for more. May God help us. Wamucii wa Kenyari akiuga ke totally understands Ngaruiya Jr. na agakiuga ati Ngaruiya Jr. haha dana act as a musician, asha. He was here as an employee of the government. Akoguo ni wĩra wake ararutaga gutigĩrĩra ati all protocols have been observed na maũndũ nĩ mathiĩ na mũtaratara. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.